Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a measurement on your Garmin Index BPM. To take a measurement on your Garmin Index blood pressure monitor, you should first unfold the strap. I'm going to put the phone away because we're going to get to that later. We just need the device to take the measurement, right? So let's unfold the strap. Now let's make some space here so we can actually put our arm in there. So let's do it. Okay. Now you should put your arm in so that the display is here, so it is facing you and it's easy for you to operate. So you can see I have it currently on my arm. I would recommend doing it on naked skin. Technically you can do it through a t-shirt, but it's not that reliable then. Now you should try to tightly attach it. It's not that easy. I've seen devices that are easier to attach like that. But yeah, I think it's fine. It's good to have like at least 2 fingers to be able to fit in between the device and the strap. And let's try to turn it on now. So click on any button to wake the device. Wait a moment. Then make sure the correct user is selected by clicking on the user button. Now click on the heart icon to start the measurement. You should be relaxed, have your legs uncrossed, and it's best to have your arm sitting on a table. Also, you shouldn't speak during the measurement and you shouldn't move. I'm gonna get back to you once it is finished. Okay, we have the measurements now, right? The systolic, diastolic, and the BPM. So let's now go to the app. If we go to the app, we can refresh it by sliding from the top down, and we will have our blood pressure. We can go into that, and now you can see I have 2 readings today. One of them is marked as orange and it is high normal, which means I'm a little above the like normal range for the systolic, but my diastolic is fine. You can see there is the diastolic and the systolic. Whereas the other one that I'm taking right now is fine in both aspects, and my heart rate is 91, which sort of indicates a workout, but I haven't been working out. I just have that sort of heart rate all the time. And this is basically the results here. Of course, there's also grade 1 and grade 2 of hypertension, and that is basically how you take a measurement. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.